This meditation will send subconscious thoughts to your specific person's mind that will make them go crazy over you and come back. You will become all that they can think or dream about, and they will go crazy until they come back to you. After listening to this, nothing and no one will be able to stop them from coming back to you and giving you all the love that you desire and deserve. Now let's begin. When they sleep at night, they are thinking about me constantly. I am all they desire. I blow their mind instantly. I take their breath away instantly. They go crazy over me instantly. They literally adore me now. They put me on a pedestal now. I am always in their head. They want to wake up beside me every morning. I stole their heart. I make them feel so good when they are with me. They forget all of their problems when they are with me. Just by looking at me, it drives them crazy. I drive them crazy every second, every hour, every day when they see me, hear me, touch me, feel me, and kiss me. My voice drives them crazy. They crave for my touch so much. They desire every inch of me. I fill their heart with joy whenever they are thinking about me. They are completely love-struck with me now. They fell head over heels for me now. They are enthusiastically fond of me now. They are so infatuated with me that they keep talking about me to everyone. They are mine and will be mine forever. They are madly in love with me now. They spend all of their time fantasizing about me now. They have a very strong crush on me now. They are obsessed with me now. Each and every second, I am in their thoughts now. They have butterflies in their stomach whenever they are thinking of me. Their greatest wish is to talk to me today. Their greatest wish is to see me today. Their greatest wish is to love me now. They are crazy in love with me now. It's obvious that they are crazy in love with me. It's obvious that they hold me dear now. It's obvious that they appreciate my whole being now. I am grateful that they want me back right now. I am grateful that they crawl back to me now. I am grateful that I have already gotten them back. I am grateful that they wonder what is going on in my life right now. I am grateful that they wonder if I have already replaced them. I am grateful that they have just contacted me today. I am grateful that they resent themselves for letting me go. I am grateful that they hate that we are apart. I am grateful that they apologize to me now. I am grateful that they told me that they are sorry. I am grateful that they begged me to give them another chance. I am grateful that they come back to me today. I am grateful for reuniting with them today. Everything and everyone is reminding them of me. I am grateful that they have to express their feelings of love for me. I am grateful that they are begging me to take them back right now. I am grateful that I am their exceptional love. I am grateful that they are asking me out again. I am grateful that they have just asked me to hang out with them today. I am grateful that they become a better person for me now. I am grateful that they are treating me better now. I am grateful that they treat me like royalty now. I am grateful that they just text me to say that they are missing me now. I am grateful that they still have deep feelings for me. I am grateful that they want us back together. I am grateful that they always find a way to text or call me. I am grateful that we just got back together today. I am grateful that they regret breaking up with me. I am grateful that they miss everything about me. I am grateful that they are crying over me now every single day. I am grateful that they are thinking about our memories together. I am grateful that they are reading our posts and conversations every single day. I am grateful that they have always been in love with me. Type, I am grateful that we just got back together today to affirm and claim. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And if you need help manifesting your desired reality, if you would like someone to spoil you, if you would like someone to give you their undivided attention, if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in this next meditation.